episode of UP Action Outdoors. Today we're down here in, where are we, South Haven, Michigan. We got a chance, thanks to Brian Copenhaver and Matt Strong, to go out on one of these 31 Tira fishing boats, I believe. What do you think, Abe? Abe's still waking up. We got a beautiful sunset. Abe's turning 21 today, so happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm super excited.
So,
This is my first time out on a charter boat, so super pumped to get out there and fish with a professional.
yeah, so it should be exciting. We're going after, I think we're targeting lake trout, so we're gonna get some rain gear on because it's dripping a little bit here this morning. And let's go catch some fish. Sorry. Fish in the net. Come on.
Really? Bring it up. Just bring it up. Hand on the rod. You can feel it while you bring it up.
Looks like he's about 12 pounds.
Abe on fish number 2.
So you haven't done much in the industry since, huh?
No, my last day I worked was the last day.
So you want to pop off the guy for you.
Lower your rod. In the water. In the water. Reel.
You want to keep the fish's head down, Abe.
Okay. There you go. Now reel. Real close. Right there. Yep. Okay, so just stay right here. You gotta reel. You gotta reel him in. Just keep your rod
Stay
low.
back here until he tells you to come. Okay. When he says the back of the boat, this is the back of the boat. Pointy end of the front. Okay.
Sorry.
Back a little. Back up, Abe.
Good job.
Okay, shit. Just not, Abe.
Come off right there.
Yeah, I gotta get me some of them hooks.
Brian, do you know how to work this camera?
No.
Well, me either.
Those are I use my phone. It's video and then on, right?
Looks like it's showing a battery issue.
Yep, that's what we got going on. No, your camera's dead.
Alright, Brian with another one.
You want to catch one, Laura?
No, all of you.
What's your theory on the anti-foam?
Why? They got a soft mouth. They're not a king. They just give them. A lot of guys don't know how to do it, so
Rip it out of
they have
space.
real good. That's the way we found it here. If you do one wrong, it happens wrong. Sometimes that's all we get.
Really?
But if it tastes this one, you're gonna eat it.
Oh yeah, that's what we always tell them.
Oh, that's
What's a good eat?
My wife likes small lake trout.
You talking like
First
good
fish on the Dipsy. Waves on it.
I looked at. You're able to sell. You're able to kind of sell high, buy low. You know, I'm trying to figure out what it is.
Yeah, I'm trying to get through that. What?
So you're kind of working out good marketing.
What's it tell me?
I thought, okay, well, how can I get some skin in this game? And I looked at like 5 different cattle boards and stuff.
Fish number 4.
And I got looking at it, you know, like looked at what they're
You're gonna reel all the way down the diver and walk all the way back to the steering wheel. So now start walking back. Keep on walking. Keep walking.
Fish in the net.
release. People say now too, they don't know what it is about them, if they're wire dyed or pink.
Alright, Noah's up on his second fish here. Wire diver. It's raining.
I run for other than that. That is good. You run on co-op basically. Walk right down the middle of the boat.
There he is, fish in the net.
Fish on the board. Probably salmon, hopefully.
I love it. I don't know why. It might be fight. That's what I was doing if I were even had time. I know catching those big ones. That's where the money goes. People pay big money for that stuff. Look at that lake trout
Hey, it's a
smash
lake
that thing.
trout.
Well, if it was about taking people's money, what you do is it's no different.
I want to know what kind of donut that is up there. Or a cookie. What is it?
Go ahead and help yourself.
It's the same as a West Coast Smiley fish.
Smiley.
It's different sauce. But yeah, we brought them along to you guys, so yeah, help yourself.
This is right where I marked it. I'm like, I'm gonna turn. I'm like, no. Right. Oh, you're getting bigger and bigger, Brian.
Yeah.
That one's a really good eater.
That's the best one of the day there.
What's going on here?
Lake trout, only smaller.
Looks really good. Oh, yeah.
No, don't you be breaking that rod now. We don't want to repeat.
Don't worry, they're not white diamonds.
Slow down, don't. It'll go real too fast.
Good eater.
Call them, good eaters.
I think if you cut that one open, you still have pellets from the hatchery inside his belly. Think so?
Last year on a trip, Matt was trying to get that rigger off the rubber bands release and he couldn't do it. He's like, I'm just gonna, he's doing this. The whole rod just went boom, a billion pieces. All of us were like, oh yeah. Okay.
Two springs ago, I broke 5 rods. 5 rotary rods.
Wow. Fender to this day will still tell the story of, we were fishing in a tournament, we needed
Matt, Doc's calling.
Blah, blah, blah.
Matt, Doc's calling.
Hello. Everybody, what's going on? No, I'm out fishing. Yeah, where are you? See?
Brian's hooked up again.
oh wait, no, you caught your limit. You can't catch anymore, Brian. Pass it off.
I can stop him from reeling so fast. Slow down.
No.
Slip off. Get slower reels. People do, it's called a 2-speed. No? You lose it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything cleared out. And I felt like a pop.
No, it's on a fish.
This thing just comes up white belly. And I was like, oh my God. So Janine stand here and I was like, here, reel it in. And Matt got the net and we're like, you're in it. So we both have a hold of it, netted it. We're trying to get it in the net. Get it in the boat. It just, you know, it was bigger than the hatch. We just laid it there and we all just looked at it and we were like, looked like a dinosaur.
Is that a trout or?
Yeah,
Wow.
trout. It was unreal. We were just like, oh my God.
I've never even heard of anything that big.
So it was clipped. So I looked it up on the DNR and it was a 1983. It was
30 some years old.
It was unreal. Like we were just like, and you know, he had it choked. And it must have been.
You guys are trouble.
Get her, Brian. I just reeled like the last 2 in.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Are you gonna catch any?
I just caught the last 2. I got 4.
Did we get you on camera at all? Yeah, I've been filming a little bit more.
Until I found there was one little pocket at 90 to 100. We found the 730 bridge. Just kind of beating on them. No, haven't caught one. No, nothing else.
The Vex are not in the way of the net. Watch out
Haven't
with
even
the
had
net.
one on. So I think they're out eating maybe. I don't know. You know how that goes though.
Another fish.
I just think they're not eating today.
Dude, every morning
Aim
I get
on
up,
the board.
Jerry doesn't do the sofa bed. He'd make it for me.
Really?
I go in, I
Hopefully
go
it's
to
the same.
sleep. He'd be like, we'll be back for breakfast.
New tattle flag boards I got. Those things dive like crazy if you don't do that. Drives me nuts.
Keep reeling.
Off the board, off.
Stop reeling.
So the releases that those TX22s come with, are they good enough for the walleye and stuff?
Yeah.
Do you have to wrap it around the head of that thing?
Look it up, go salmon.
Come on, this could be a tournament winning fish here.
That's right.
Brown.
Brown trout.
Oh.
That doesn't never happen.
That's the second brown I've seen like.
I gotta get a picture with this one.
That's ready.
I can count how many I've caught and on this though.
Really?
Yeah.
Lately.
Can you hold them up, babe?
Yeah, it's a nice little fish.
Nice.
Hey, brown. Honey, grab my photo. I'll take a picture.
I'm gonna get blood all over your boat. It's a brown trout.
There we go.
Yep. Now we've got another one. Abe's got a fish on, bringing it in at the end. Something on one of the long lines, salmon or something. Brian's on with that. We had a blast fishing this morning. It was great morning, a little bit drizzly, but it's good for the fishing. I want to say a big thanks to Matt Strong at Strong Performance Charters for taking us out and showing us how to catch these lake trout. So we had a blast. I'm going to pass the phone up to the front of the car, and Abe's going to say a few things, and Brian.
So, had a great time today out on the 2 Strong out of South Haven, Michigan. Matt's a good friend, been a friend for years. Just always know he's gonna put us on the fish, and it was not an easy bite today. We had to work at it. When I say we didn't work very hard. We just sat back and watched Matt work his magic, but he got it figured out. Took a few color changes, changed up some direction of troll, found a little pot of fish out there, and he just worked it over for us. And when it was all said and done, man, we had a box full of fish. So way to go. Thanks a lot, Matt and Laura, for a great day on the water. Great boat, great equipment, and great lures too. So check out what their website you said?
Yeah, check out Ice Strong Outdoors. I believe it's fishstrong.com or something like that. But if you search Ice Strong Outdoors, it'll pop up. Yeah, Matt has a whole online store of custom tackle he's designed for fishing the Great Lakes and also ice fishing. He's developed a lot of really cool ice fishing stuff that is very useful in this area. So, yeah. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, man, it's just a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Rumble
We
strip.
got the rumble strips there. Yeah.
Going through construction, we were supposed to go over that rumble strip, just so you know.
So I had a blast. There's no other way I'd really rather spend my birthday. Great guys, great time. So the weather is a little rainy, but not too bad. Good fishing weather. So I guess that's going to be about it. And we'll see you all next time. I'll see you next time. Noel will see you next time on another episode of UP Action Outdoors. But until then, have fun, stay safe, go catch some fish, kill something, do whatever you gotta do out there to be happy in the outdoors. And we'll see you guys later. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Thanks, Matt, for taking us out. I'm gonna try to link Strong Performance Charters and Ice Strong ice gear and whatever, all that. I'll put links down below. Thanks for watching. Tap down at the bottom of your screen to subscribe, up in this corner for one of my other not so great videos, and up here for another one that's not really great either, and we'll see you next time.